Did you know that the average traveler wastes 30% of their luggage space just because they don't know how to pack efficiently? That's a lot of extra room you could be using for souvenirs, extra outfits, or even snacks for the road. Packing is an art, and getting it right means less stress at the airport, more space in your suitcase, and a better trip overall. In this guide, we'll show you how to fold clothes like a pro so you can save more space than you ever thought possible. You'll learn tricks you probably never knew about, like how rolling your clothes can actually help them stay wrinkle-free and give you extra room. Plus, we'll share space-saving hacks that are game-changers for your packing routine. Stay tuned for tips on how to maximize every inch of your suitcase, because packing smart is the secret to traveling light and stress-free. Ready to change the way you pack? Let's dive in. Chapter 1. The Ultimate Space-Saving Secret. Master the Art of Rolling. The most common packing tip is probably rolling clothes, but it's not just a rumor, it works wonders. Rolling clothes, like shirts, pants, and even jackets, allows you to use space in your suitcase more effectively. Studies show that rolling your clothes can save up to 30% more space than folding. Rolling not only keeps clothes wrinkle-free but also makes it easier to spot what you need without rummaging through your bag. Think of it as Tetris for your suitcase. Here's how to do it. Lay your shirt flat, fold the sleeves inward, then roll from the bottom up. This method helps eliminate air pockets, compressing clothes into a neat, compact shape. Tightly rolled clothes also reduce the chances of creasing, which means you can pull them out ready to wear when you arrive. You can also roll smaller items like socks and underwear, making the best use of every inch in your bag. Now that you know how to roll like a pro, make sure to subscribe for more packing tips that'll make your life easier. Chapter 2. Packing like a pro. The file fold technique explained. If you've ever wondered how professionals pack their clothes so neatly, the answer is often the file fold method. This technique is great for items that tend to wrinkle easily, like dress shirts, pants, or even skirts. Instead of folding your clothes into a square, you fold them into neat rectangles and stack them upright, much like files in a filing cabinet. It sounds simple, but it's a game changer when it comes to organization. To master the file fold, lay the garment flat, fold in the sides, then fold the bottom up to create a compact rectangle. You can stack your folded clothes vertically in your bag so they stay organized, and you can easily grab what you need without disrupting the rest of your luggage. This method is ideal for travelers who like to keep their clothes easily accessible and wrinkle-free. In fact, research by travel experts suggests that packing clothes vertically is one of the best ways to reduce space usage while keeping clothes in top condition. Chapter 3. The Magic of Compression. Vacuum bags for serious travelers. When you're packing bulky items like coats, sweaters, or even blankets, space can quickly become an issue. That's where compression bags come in. These clever bags allow you to shrink down large, bulky items to fit more in your suitcase. They work by removing air, which reduces the volume of your clothing by up to 80%. Imagine fitting a winter coat into the space of a t-shirt. To use compression bags, simply place your clothes inside, seal the bag, and then use a vacuum or manually squeeze out the air. This technique works especially well for items that don't need to be immediately accessible, like jackets or extra shoes. It's also perfect for long trips or when you need to carry more clothing but don't want to pay for an extra bag. Plus, vacuum-sealed bags protect your clothes from dust and moisture, making them ideal for storing seasonal clothing. One study revealed that travelers who use compression bags tend to pack 40% more clothing than those who don't, making them a must-have for serious packers. By using compression bags, you'll not only save space, but you'll also feel more organized and prepared for your trip. These bags are lightweight, reusable, and work wonders for both short and long journeys. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more life-changing packing tips. Chapter 4. Small but mighty. Fold your socks and underwear like a genius. Let's face it, socks and underwear can take up more space than you think. They're small, but they add up quickly. Instead of tossing them loosely into your bag, try bundling them into tight, compact rolls. This strategy not only saves space but also keeps your smaller items organized. You can save space and avoid the frustration of digging through a sea of socks when you need them. Start by folding your socks into a small square, then rolling them into a tight ball. This method keeps everything together and prevents them from getting lost in the nooks of your suitcase. For underwear, a quick fold and roll work wonders. Not only does this keep everything neat, but it also allows you to store your socks and underwear inside shoes or other small compartments, maximizing every inch of space. One interesting trick that seasoned travelers use is storing socks and underwear inside a pair of shoes. Not only does it save room, but it also helps maintain the shape of the shoes. According to travel expert Rick Steves, utilizing every inch of your suitcase is key to reducing the amount of luggage you carry while still bringing everything you need. Chapter 5. Rolling and layering, the double whammy for tight spaces. Rolling is a powerful technique on its own, but what if you combined it with layering? This method takes space saving to the next level. By rolling your clothes and then stacking them in layers, you can create a more organized and efficient packing system. The key here is to pack smaller items in between larger rolled clothes to create a compact, layered structure that's easy to manage and keeps your clothes in perfect condition. Start by rolling your t-shirts, shorts, and light clothes. Once that's done, layer them with larger, heavier items, like jeans or jackets, on top. The rolls act like little cushions, protecting your delicate items from being crushed. This method helps prevent wrinkles, too, as the weight of the heavier clothes helps keep everything in place. Experts at Travel Plus Leisure suggest that layering is especially helpful when packing for longer trips. Not only does it reduce the risk of your clothes becoming wrinkled, but it also ensures you make the most of every corner of your bag. With the right layering system, you'll feel like you've unlocked the secret to perfect packing. Chapter 6. Bonus hack: how to fold shoes to save even more space. Packing shoes for travel is tricky, especially if you want to bring a few pairs without overstuffing your luggage. But here's a simple hack. Learn how to fold and pack shoes in a way that doesn't waste valuable space. Instead of just tossing them in your suitcase, use them to your advantage by packing items inside them, like socks, belts, or other small clothes. Here's how it works. If you're bringing sneakers, sandals, or boots, stuff them with socks, underwear, or accessories. This helps the shoes maintain their shape while also saving space elsewhere in your suitcase. Another trick is to place shoes heel to toe and stuff the remaining gaps with smaller items. This not only maximizes space but also keeps shoes from getting squished or damaged. According to packing guru Casey Palmer, using shoes as storage is a genius move that many people overlook. Shoes are naturally hollow, which makes them perfect for holding smaller items, Palmer says. By being strategic with your shoe packing, you can save even more space and still bring everything you need. If you really want to take it up a notch, consider using shoe bags to keep them from touching your clothes, ensuring everything stays clean. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more space-saving tips and packing hacks that will help you travel smarter and lighter.